Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start immediately by opening Chrome and confirming you're in the right profile. This avoids toggling the wrong settings. Once done, close unrelated windows so extensions list loads cleanly. Then click the three-dot menu, choose More Tools, and open Extensions. You're doing this because Developer Mode toggles live extension permissions and can expose experimental features. Disabling it reduces risk and restores normal update behavior. Keep moving without delay. You need the extensions page visible for the next steps. Now, locate the Developer Mode toggle at the top right of the extensions page. You'll see a small switch labeled Developer Mode. Flip it off to stop loading unpacked extensions and to re-enable automatic updates. Make sure to inspect any unpacked extensions first. If they are required, consider repacking or installing from the Chrome Web Store instead. Turning off Developer Mode prevents accidental permission grants and reduces background debugging. Once toggled, give Chrome a moment to refresh extensions and their update states. Finish by confirming Developer Mode shows off and that extensions report normal update behavior. If unpacked or suspicious extensions remain, remove them to prevent unwanted access. You can reinstall trusted ones from the web store. Then restart Chrome to ensure the change persists. If Developer Mode re-enables or extensions misbehave, check for managed policies or enterprise controls. On Windows, run gpedit or check registry keys, and on Mac, look for configuration profiles. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent reactivation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.